Okay, we all know this picture. Most of us find ourselves in a doctor's office after we have already become ill or during a medical crisis. Although most medical professionals can diagnose and treat an issue, the root cause of the illness or possible preventive measures are not always addressed. So Weightless is an integrative medical clinic that takes a different approach to diagnosing and treating its patients. Here with more information is medical director. We have Dr. Bon Trong. We're already talking about ways to suppress the, or at least keep your immune system stronger during this flu season, right? But doctor, I want to know, why does it seem that more and more people are getting sick? Why is this happening?
You know, it's very interesting because if you look at the data, we have a lot more chronic illnesses, heart disease, diabetes, cancer, autoimmune problem. And you know, being a former ER doctor, I see this all the time in the ER. We save lives, we patch things up, and then we send you back to your doctor, but we don't really improve your overall health. Your longevity and your quality of life is the same. And that's common to see in the medical field, how we practice nowadays. And we look at more reactionary. We don't do anything preventatively. We use medication, prescription, and we target those to help with illnesses. And the problem is that we don't really look at the underlying cause of these illnesses.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, no, I really agree with that. I like that. So is there a way then that we can actually predict future health issues, basically with the symptoms or signs that we're showing right now that may be overlooked?
Yeah, in most of the cases we can. And most of the physician will agree that in the body, there are three processes. You have inflammation, you have oxidation, and immune dysregulation. And so let's say your body is under attack, you're going to have inflammation, and the inflammation will cause more problem. But as the illness or the disease is being prevented, the inflammation decreases. But as it progresses, what you'll see is that you can have more cells that are being destroyed, and it leads to more immune problem and chronic diseases that you tend to see.
Okay, so you're a former ER physician, right?
Yes.
Okay, so these symptoms that we're talking about, is this something that you would think a general practitioner might be able to assess themselves?
Unfortunately not. You need a special training, and also most of the physicians don't have time to do a very extensive workup. You really need somebody who's board certified in integrative medicine or anti-aging or maybe even regenerative medicine like myself. And what we do is really try to understand the complex web of these history, physiology, and the lifestyle changes that cause these illnesses that are what we call chronic diseases.
Okay, so tell me about your assessments then. How do you do this? What do you do?
Well, at Weightless, what we do is that we always believe in high standard of technology. So we use the BOD-POD, which is the gold standard to measure your body composition, your resting metabolic rate. We use a lot of advanced lab, and we work with a lot of lab throughout the whole country to be able to get the best metabolic biomarker to determine your overall health. We do extensive history and also lifestyle, and we get all those information together. We analyze it through like thousands of algorithms, and then we determine what is your overall vitality and wellness index. And from that, we can give you a snapshot over your overall health now and what it will be like in the future as well too.
Oh wow, okay. And so once you get that information then, do you help kind of set like a path or a plan for your patient?
Exactly. You know, most of the health issue can be solved by just very simple, non-invasive techniques. What we do is we usually will put together a plan that's really integrating nutrition supplements. In addition, that will also put together a hormones replacement therapy, nutrition program, exercise program, and also looking at how we decrease mental stress techniques as well too. And all these things together, we individualize for every single person, and we maintain that and also have follow-up with our patient as well too.
Okay, so if someone's watching and they're interested in being tested, what do they do?
They definitely can call us, set up an appointment, we'll do a thorough assessment for them. And then they can also look us up on our website as well too, at Be Weightless as well.
Okay, so if they go to Be Weightless as well, they're going to find more information too about what we just discussed?
For sure.
Okay, all right.
Very exciting,
Yeah, no, it is really exciting. And I like how you had highlighted the fact of mental health too, because we all know that that's a huge impact as well on your physical being, right?
No doubt about it.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much,
thank
Dr.
you.
Strong. Okay, everyone.